Hello guys, in this video I will show you some websites if you are looking forward for generating long form YouTube videos through the help of AI. So I will show you three websites for this which works 100%. So these all websites are open source. So the first website is Chat.qwen.ai. It's a Chinese based AI website for generating videos, images, coding apps, all these stuff you can generate this. Simply go to Chat.qwen.ai and simply log in with your Google account. So these are some of the videos that I generated. As you see, it also contains sound as well. You also get the download button to download the video as well. So this also I generated this video as well, as you see that. So right here, once you come to the chatbot right here, chat.quen.ai, you simply log in with your Google account, then come to the chat prompt. From here, you select we need to create video. So you also, if you have a bunch of images that you already have your own images, you can even upload your own image if you have. So let's suppose you upload your own image and you want to animate that image. So right here you simply write the instructions. So animate this image. So simply write the prompt and simply tell the AI animate this image, please make it dance and generate video. So now the AI will start convert this image into a video. So it can be used as a YouTube video, Instagram video, TikTok video. So once it completes, you will get this notification. And the second website that I use is Meta AI. This is actually created by Facebook. This also does the same thing. So once you go to the website, so you need to have a Facebook account for this. Simply log in right here and right in the chat prompt, you have the option right here. You can attach your own image. For example, I attach this and from here I simply say animate this image and please make it. So essentially I paste the same prompt here, and now once again I submit this request to this Meta AI. So again the AI will start preparing this. The third website is Arena AI. This also is a free open source website which allows you to do the same thing. So once you land on this website, you will see this option right here, generate videos. So this is all three websites are free open source and it doesn't have any kind of limit. So you can create unlimited videos and it also doesn't charge anything. Again, you repeat the process, you select your images, whatever images you want to select, and paste the prompt as you see that, and I send out this request. So once again, the AI will start generating the video for us. So now you can see the AI has successfully generated the video, and you can just see right here from a static image we get a overall video. So depending upon whatever was the prompt here, the guy, you can see it is dancing, it is also having emotion as well in the video. So you also get the download button as well. So once you click the download button, the video will be downloaded inside your machine as an MP4 file. It also doesn't contain any kind of watermark as well. So from a static image, you can animate that image and make it to a video. So the possibilities are endless. So there is no limit to this AI website at the time of recording this. So it's completely unlimited. You can generate unlimited videos. So this also is preparing this. So just wait, once it reaches 100%, you will. I can also say, please, if I want to do this again, I can attach the same image and I can simply say, please This time I've written a different prompt here to the same image. So now it will generate a different video. So again, you can see how fast it is. It is really fast. It doesn't take too much time. So it will save you a lot of time. You don't need any kind of fancy editor. You simply come to the Meta AI website, simply submit your images, and you can even create different videos as well. So there is, you can see that now this is completely different video. As you see that it just took 5 seconds to create this awesome video from a static image, and you can't say that it is created by AI. It is looking like a real video. So that's the power of AI, of this platform Meta AI. Again, you can click the download button to download this video. So you can see this also has generated this arena AI. So it also contains sound as well. The results are completely different depending upon different AI models. So you can just see this also has completed generated. So now you can even play this as well. So the music generated is also different. So I think this is the best website if you are taking my opinion, meta.ai. So it's really fast as well. It also has its own editor. You can even add music as well. You can extend the animation. You can have different animated styles as well. So with a single click, you can apply different styles. Both these, all these three websites are good. So definitely try all these three websites. If you want to generate YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, any kind of video, you come to the website and generate it.